Hey fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, welcome. As you can see, we are in the bathroom. Let's get started. So, as some of you may know, your girl likes a good facial. But today, we're not focusing on the facial. We're focusing on a little process called dermaplaning. Look at my skin. Now you may not be able to tell, but there's little hairs and little fine, rough patches of dry skin that my everyday cleanser just can't get off. So, we're gonna make it come off with a razor. First things first, you gotta start on a clean canvas. So I'm gonna get this canvas cleansed and ready for the dermaplaning, scraping, removing of grossness, dryness, sebum. Okay, as you can see, my face is dry. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to apply an oil to my face. The oil really helps things along. Don't use a shaving cream. Every time I've done this, I've used a coconut oil, but I do know that other people have used olive oil, grapeseed oil. So fam, please make sure that you're using a clean razor for this. You're gonna move the blade in downward strokes as you go. So down, back to the top, down, back to the top, down. All right, so starting about right here, by my ear, slow, short, downward strokes. On the right side. For my chin, I do it inwards to a point and downward. Be very gentle with your chin area. Really, really, really be feather-handed. My upper lip area, I do in downward strokes from my nose to my lip. Also, very short, quick strokes. So I'm going to do my forehead. I do my forehead from my hairline to the tops of my eyebrows. Get as close to your brows as you feel comfortable. I don't feel that comfortable. Because I'm chicken, I'm going to do the underside of my brows off cam. Be right back. I'm back, and my face is shaved. I jacked up my brows a bit, but that's to be expected when you're in a hot mess, right? Yeah, it is. Anyway, I have wiped off my blade throughout the process. Here is the results of that. So obviously what's here is a collection of little hairs that we removed during our dermaplaning process. What you do not see that is here is also a collection of dead skin cells. Nasty little things that's just been sitting there, caking up, looking gross, weird, and tacky under your makeup, girl. Or guy. But tacky. It's been tacky. You look dried and cakey and flaky and gross and weird, and that's why. Shave it off. Anyway, I am going to move on to my next step. I'm going to apply a toner. Any toner should do. Apply toner to a cotton pad and wipe your face clean. So I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, we didn't do nose though. We did not. Why? Because, like your under eyes, the skin on your nose is too thin. You can do it if you want to. I don't do that, so that's not the tutorial. I ain't doing it. But what I am gonna do is, for my nose area, I do place one of these Biore strips. Classics. So Biore nose strips are pretty easy to apply. You just make sure that your nose is wet, put the strip over it. I like to apply a little bit more water to my fingertips and pat it down and make sure I get any air bubbles out. Then I wait for it to dry, and then I peel it off. I'm gonna give my skin a quick rinse. I'm gonna finish up today by applying a light moisturizer and calling it a night. Well, Cam Fam, thanks for taking the time to hang out with me today while I showed you my dermaplaning routine. I hope you get an opportunity to try this routine at home and it works just as awesome for you as it does for me. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, Cam Fam. See you in the next one.